Today I will share an indicator with you. That indicator will help you in your trading. Today's indicator is a little bit different. The indicator we usually know support us in our analysis, but the indicator that we will share today is not for analysis, but through it you can easily set up your SL and TP automatically. This means that SL and TP will set up automatically as soon as you take entry. What a surprise! Today we will discuss this topic and show you the details of how to set up this indicator, and we will give this indicator on FOREX BD's website. You can download it. Link will be given in video description. So without wasting time, let's go to the main topic. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. By now you must have understood the function of the robot or indicator that we will share today. That means when we take entry, then we have to set up SL and TP manually. This sometimes causes trouble. Why? This is because sometimes we forget to set up SL and TP. Maybe we set up TP but forget to set up SL, or forget to set up TP. Although it's very rare. But the problem is that we have to calculate after taking the entry, because we have a profit ratio. You may be thinking of taking 100 pips TP after taking entry. Then you have to calculate 100 pips after taking the entry. You have to count how far 100 pips from your entry point. And we have to count our SL. This is why time is wasted. And sometimes we have to set up SL and TP immediately because of news. So if you want to set up SL and TP automatically without having to set up it manually, then today's video is just for you. But let me say one thing first. Since your SL and TP will set up automatically, then in each entry the SL and TP will be the same amount. So you have to keep this in mind, because we always prefer to set up SL and TP by following back point. So always SL and TP is not same, because sometimes you will get SL 10 pips away and sometimes you will get 20 pips or 25 pips away. So if you use this indicator by setting 20 pips SL in every entry, your SL will be 20 pips, because the first time you do setting. That's why always SL and TP will be set up at the same distance. However, there is no reason to worry, because if you want to change SL and TP after setting automatically, then you can easily change it by moving. And those who set up SL and TP in the same distance all the time, they can use this indicator without thinking. This is best for them. That's why we always say, before you use something, see if it goes with your sentiment. So we have to download it first. To download, go to this video description. There is a link to the website of FOREX BD. However, I request you hit the like button and subscribe our channel, because we make every video just for you. So when you do like and comment, we are inspired to do something better. And if we get 1000 likes and comments on this video, then we will share more good indicator. So if you click on this link in the description, the website will come. Here you can see the link of this indicator. You can download it by clicking on this link. Then a page will appear. If you click on this option, it will be downloaded. Once downloaded, your first job is done. Now it has to be extract this file like before. We showed this when set up the previous indicator. Take the mouse point over this indicator and click the right button on the mouse. Then you will see some options. So extract from here. Do exactly what we are doing. Then you can see that 2 file has created. So our extract is done. After extracting, we have to copy this new 2 file. That's why we are copying this file. Then we will open our MT4 platform. After opening the platform, we have to go to file option. You can see on the top left, there have an option called file. So if we click, a page will appear. Then click on the option called open data folder here. Then a page will appear. In this page, we have to go MQL4 folder. You know this process because in previous video we set up many indicator by the same process, but this time the work is a little bit different. Earlier we used to enter the indicator folder from here, but now we have to enter the folder named expert. Then we will paste the 2 file here that we copied. So we have pasted. Now close your platform just like before. That means we have to close it completely. After closing, now open it. So you can see we are opening our platform. After opening, we have to set up the navigator bar. For that, you will come to this point. If you click here, some menu will come. You can see in the middle there have a name called navigator. If you click on it, a page will come. You can see it below. From here, we will set up the indicator that we pasted. Here you can see an indicator in the option called expert advisor. Clicking here will come a page. Here we need to do some setting. Here you can see 3 options. Go to the common name option in the middle. Keep it as you can see it here. If your common option like this, then don't do any change. Then go to the input option. Here you need to set up SLNTP. Here you can see take profit is written. So here you have to write pips. In other words, you can write as many pips as you want to take. We are writing 60 pips here. Then down is the stop loss. Here you will set up how many pips you want to take stop loss. We are setting 20 pips. This means that 20 pips SL and 60 pips TP, and this will set up automatically after taking entry. So by clicking OK, our work is done. But one thing to keep in mind is that after doing this, the option called auto trading has to be kept on. If it is off, it will not work. We set up and this option is on. Now we will show you with trade. That is, this indicator is working or not. We take an entry and we can see the entry is running, and automatically our SLNTP have been set up, which you can see. If you follow this, then you will be able to set up your SLNTP automatically. Once set up, you can change if you want. If you want to increase or decrease the SLNTP, you can move it by clicking and holding the mouse on it. Very simple system. Then any of you can follow it. If you like this and if it goes with your sentiment, then you can download it and follow it. And before finishing the video, a humble request to you, please subscribe our FOREX BD and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. And last thing we would like to say, if you need any indicator or any video, let us know in the comment box. We will provide the video as soon as possible. And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.